G'day everyone and welcome to Vietnam. This incredible country, shaped like an S, stretches down the Southeast Asian coast. From north to south, Vietnam is a land of contrasts. Imagine pristine beaches meeting the warm waters of the South China Sea. Picture emerald green rice paddies, ancient Buddhist temples, and bustling cities full of life. Vietnam is a country with a rich history and a vibrant culture. For centuries, Vietnam has captivated travelers with its natural beauty and cultural treasures. From ancient wonders to modern marvels, Vietnam offers a captivating journey through time. So buckle up and get ready to explore Vietnam like never before. In this stunning 8K HDR drone footage, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through the skies. Get ready for breathtaking aerial views of Vietnam's most iconic landmarks and hidden gems. We'll soar above bustling cities, tranquil countryside, and ancient wonders. See the contrast of modern skyscrapers against the backdrop of French colonial architecture. Prepare to be amazed by the ethereal beauty of Ha Long Bay. Thousands of limestone islands rise from the emerald waters, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Vietnam's story is one of resilience, transformation, and boundless potential. The Vietnamese people are known for their warmth, hospitality, and entrepreneurial spirit. As we journey through Vietnam, we'll witness firsthand the fusion of tradition and modernity. From bustling markets to high-tech startups, Vietnam embodies the spirit of progress and innovation. This is Vietnam, a land of endless possibilities. Our journey begins in the vibrant metropolis of Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon. This bustling city is a captivating blend of old and new, where the echoes of history resonate alongside the pulse of modern life. Ho Chi Minh City is a city that never sleeps, a place where energy and ambition hang thick in the humid air. As we soar above the city, you'll immediately notice the striking contrast of architectural styles. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, standing shoulder to shoulder with elegant French colonial buildings. The grand Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica of Saigon stands as a testament to a bygone era. The Saigon River, a lifeline for the city, snakes its way through the urban landscape. Boats of all shapes and sizes ply the waterway, from traditional wooden sampans to modern cargo ships. The streets are a whirlwind of activity, with motorbikes zipping through traffic, street vendors hawking their wares, and the aroma of street food filling the air. One of the most captivating aspects of Ho Chi Minh City is its ability to seamlessly blend tradition and modernity. Amidst the gleaming skyscrapers and bustling streets, you'll find pockets of old-world charm. Step back in time as we explore the city's historic districts, where narrow alleyways and traditional shophouses transport you to a bygone era. Ben Thanh Market, a chaotic yet captivating labyrinth of stalls, is a must-see for any visitor. Here you'll find everything from fresh produce and seafood to clothing, souvenirs, and traditional Vietnamese handicrafts. This juxtaposition of old and new is what makes Ho Chi Minh City so captivating. To truly understand Ho Chi Minh City, you need to experience its soul, and that soul can be found in its people. The people of Saigon are known for their resilience, their warmth, and their entrepreneurial spirit. Take a stroll through the city's parks and you'll see families enjoying their time together, friends catching up, and couples finding romance amidst the urban chaos. As the sun sets, the streets come alive with a vibrant nightlife, offering something for everyone. No visit to Ho Chi Minh City would be complete without experiencing its legendary coffee culture. Vietnamese coffee, with its strong, bold flavor, is a true sensory experience. The city is a food lover's paradise, with a dizzying array of street food stalls, restaurants, and cafes serving up everything from traditional Vietnamese dishes to international cuisine. Be sure to sample local favorites like pho, banh mi, and goi quan. From its soaring skyscrapers to its charming alleyways, Ho Chi Minh City is a city of endless possibilities. As we leave behind the vibrant energy of Ho Chi Minh City, our drone carries us north to Hanoi, the captivating capital of Vietnam. Hanoi is a city of timeless charm, a place where ancient history and modern life intertwine gracefully. Founded over 1,000 years ago, Hanoi has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires, the rise and fall of dynasties, and the enduring spirit of the Vietnamese people. Unlike the fast-paced energy of Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi embraces a slower, more deliberate pace of life. As our drone glides over the city, you'll be captivated by the unique blend of architectural styles. Grand French colonial buildings stand as elegant reminders of a bygone era. Ancient pagodas and temples offer a glimpse into Vietnam's rich spiritual heritage. These sacred spaces provide a sense of peace and tranquility amidst the urban bustle. Prepare to be transported back in time as our drone descends into the heart of Hanoi's Old Quarter. This enchanting labyrinth of narrow streets and alleyways is a true feast for the senses. The Old Quarter is a testament to Hanoi's enduring spirit, a place where ancient traditions and a vibrant street life have coexisted for centuries. As we navigate the maze of narrow streets, you'll be surrounded by a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and aromas. Each street in the Old Quarter is dedicated to a specific trade, a tradition that has been passed down through generations. The Old Quarter is a shopper's paradise, a place to haggle for unique souvenirs and experience the true essence of Vietnamese craftsmanship. In the heart of Hanoi, amidst the urban hustle and bustle, lies a serene oasis of tranquility, Hoan Kiem Lake. This picturesque lake, its surface shimmering like 1,000 jewels, is a true sanctuary in the heart of the city. Legend has it that the lake is named after a magical sword, returned to the golden turtle god, which emerged from its depths to help a Vietnamese emperor defeat the Chinese. The iconic Turtle Tower, a small pagoda perched on a tiny island in the middle of the lake, adds to the fairy tale-like ambiance. Stroll along the lake's shores, and you'll encounter a microcosm of Hanoian life. Elderly residents practice Tai Chi in the early morning light, while young couples steal kisses on park benches. Hanoi is a city that treasures its history and culture, and this is evident in its abundance of museums, temples, and historical landmarks. Our drone will take you on a journey to discover these cultural gems, each one offering a unique glimpse into Vietnam's rich heritage. First, we'll visit the Temple of Literature, a serene oasis dedicated to Confucius and Vietnam's scholars. Founded in 1070, this sprawling complex of courtyards, gardens, and temples was once Vietnam's first university. Next, we'll head to the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, a grand monument dedicated to Ho Chi Minh, the revered leader of Vietnam. The mausoleum is a place of pilgrimage for many Vietnamese, and it offers a fascinating glimpse into the country's recent history. Leaving the city behind, our drone takes us on a breathtaking journey to one of Vietnam's most iconic destinations, Ha Long Bay. As we soar above this UNESCO World Heritage Site, prepare to be captivated by its sheer magnificence. Ha Long Bay is a masterpiece of nature, a mesmerizing tapestry of emerald waters, towering limestone pillars, and hidden caves. Imagine thousands of limestone islands, sculpted by millions of years of wind and water erosion, rising dramatically from the emerald green waters. These towering pillars create a surreal and otherworldly landscape that has inspired poets, artists, and travelers for centuries. Whether you believe the legend or not, there's no denying the magical allure of this extraordinary place. Our drone becomes your guide as we delve deeper into this emerald labyrinth. We'll glide over hidden lagoons, peek into secret caves adorned with shimmering stalactites and stalagmites, and witness the serenity of floating villages that call this bay home. Prepare to be amazed by the hidden wonders of Sung Sot Cave, also known as Surprise Cave. Our journey continues as we encounter the floating villages of Ha Long Bay, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Vietnamese people. From the natural wonders of Ha Long Bay, we journey south to the charming city of Hoi An. Nestled on Vietnam's central coast, Hoi An is a true gem, a meticulously preserved trading port that has captivated travelers for centuries. Hoi An's ancient town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a captivating blend of architectural influences. Centuries ago, this bustling port welcomed traders from China, Japan, and Europe, each leaving their mark on the city's cultural and architectural landscape. One of Hoi An's most iconic landmarks is the Japanese covered bridge, a symbol of the city's rich history. This beautifully preserved bridge, dating back to the 16th century, features intricate carvings and a small temple dedicated to the deity of weather. Step back in time as we explore the streets of Hoi An's ancient town. The streets are lined with traditional shophouses, their facades adorned with colorful lanterns and silk lanterns swaying gently in the breeze. As twilight descends upon Hoi An, the city undergoes a magical transformation. The streets come alive with a warm, ethereal glow as thousands of lanterns illuminate the night, casting flickering shadows and creating an ambience unlike any other. Our drone captures this magical spectacle from above, showcasing Hoi An in all its illuminated splendor. Hoi An's love affair with lanterns is said to have originated centuries ago. Local fishermen would hang lanterns from their boats to attract fish and illuminate their way home. Today, the lanterns have become a symbol of the city, representing hope, prosperity, and good fortune. As we drift through the lantern-lit streets, you'll be mesmerized by the sheer variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. From simple paper lanterns to elaborate silk creations, each lantern tells a story, reflecting the artistry and craftsmanship of the local people. No visit to Hoi An would be complete without experiencing the magic of its full moon festival. On this special night, the city comes alive with even more lanterns, traditional music performances, and a vibrant night market that stretches along the Tu Bon River. Our journey through Vietnam continues as we explore captivating coastal cities, each offering its own unique blend of beauty, history, and charm. From the sandy shores of Da Nang to the imperial grandeur of Hue, Vietnam's coastline is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. First, we touch down in Da Nang, known for its stunning beaches and modern architecture. Relax on the pristine sands of Mai Kay Beach, consistently ranked among the world's most beautiful beaches. As night descends, be dazzled by the Dragon Bridge, a modern marvel that spans the Han River. Discover the Marble Mountains, 5 mystical limestone hills rising dramatically from the coastal plain. Our journey takes us to Hue, the former imperial capital of Vietnam. Explore the grand palaces, temples, and tombs of the Nguyen dynasty. Soar above the imperial city, a complex of palaces, temples, and courtyards. Discover the forbidden Purple City, the emperor's private residence. Enjoy a boat trip along the Perfume River to the Thien Mu Pagoda. Its 7-tiered tower is a symbol of Hue's spiritual heritage. Next, we visit Ninh Binh, known as Ha Long Bay on land. Be captivated by the Trang An scenic landscape complex with limestone peaks and winding rivers. Our aerial adventure continues as we venture off the beaten path to discover some of Vietnam's lesser-known but equally captivating destinations. From the coastal charms of Nha Trang to the underground wonders of Phong Nha, Vietnam never ceases to amaze. Our first stop is Nha Trang, a coastal city renowned for its beautiful beaches, excellent scuba diving, and vibrant nightlife. Relax on the pristine sands of Tran Phu Beach, explore the colorful coral reefs, or indulge in the city's delectable seafood offerings. For a glimpse into Vietnam's rich history, visit the Po Nagar Cham Towers, a complex of ancient Hindu temples dating back to the 7th century. These towers, perched on a hilltop overlooking the city, offer breathtaking views and a fascinating insight into Vietnam's Cham heritage. Our final destination is Phong Nha, Cây Bang National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its spectacular cave systems, including the world's largest cave, Son Dung. Embark on an unforgettable adventure into the depths of these caves, where you'll encounter underground rivers, towering stalagmites, and a world unlike anything you've ever seen before. As our incredible journey through Vietnam draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City to the tranquil waters of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam has revealed itself to be a land of breathtaking contrasts and endless charm. We've soared above ancient temples and modern marvels, witnessed the harmony of tradition and progress, and experienced the warmth and resilience of the Vietnamese people. Vietnam's beauty extends far beyond its stunning landscapes. It's a beauty that resonates in the smiles of its people, the vibrant tapestry of its culture, and the indomitable spirit that has shaped its past and continues to guide its future. Whether you're seeking adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a moment of tranquility, Vietnam offers a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and discover the magic of Vietnam for yourself. This incredible country, with its open arms and captivating beauty, is ready to welcome you. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable aerial adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Until next time, happy travels.